Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Alex Villanueva and today we are gonna learn one of my favorite tricks on a rail. That's the frontside board slide 270 out. This trick, I do it like every time I go skating. It's super fun for me, and once you have a few tips, it's way more easy than it looks and you will land it every time. Before doing this trick, it's better if you are already confident in a free one, so you must have a very good frontside board slide, a good frontside board slide to fakie, and also a good backside 360. And now we're gonna combine them. You wanna approach this trick as a normal frontside board slide, so you will go frontside with a little bit of angle going to the rail, and then when you go on top of the rail, you wanna have your weight on the back foot, so it's easier to spin, and you wanna turn your head and look under your shoulder so you can see the landing before going off the rail. That's something a little bit scary at the beginning, but you can try to just do like a late 360 on the ground before going to the rail, so you will have that motion of twisting your arms before your legs. It's one of those tricks that you just have to commit and just go and trust that you will see the landing like a normal backside 360 and just pop high and try to finish the rotation as soon as you can. Once you have these little tricks, will be a trick that you will land almost every time, because you will naturally go look after your front side, your right direction, so it's, for me at least, easier even than the frontside board to fakie. And I hope you like this tutorial. There are many more to come. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and Dragan out.